fired. The images and the videos that we will be flashing on your screens have come up straight from our sources. That's going to be from inside of the seminar hall where that poor woman, the lady doctor on duty, was raped and murdered as well. Something very shocking, something that in fact has shocked the entire medical fraternity and the entire nation. Everybody is asking for justice at this point of time. What's even more shocking is that PWD has already started renovating the space. These are the exclusive visuals that we are flashing on your screens. This is the particular place. Kamalika continues to stay on with us. Kamalika, please tell us more about, this particular seminar hall where the lady doctor was raped and in fact she was murdered by Sanjay Roy. But apart from that, also tell us a bit more about the CCTV cameras, Kamalika, inside the seminar hall.
There was no CCTV camera as far as we know inside the seminar hall. There were cameras outside while the entry of this floor, that means the third floor, there is a CCTV camera, but there was no CCTV camera in seminar hall. And through those CCTV camera footages is what the police actually detected the accused, Sanjay Roy. He went inside with an earphone, but while he came out, there was no earphone with him, and there was a broken earphone there in the place of occurrence that has been shown in this video. This is the place of occurrence from where they have collected this and also collected the forensic evidence. This Bluetooth matched that earphone, and that is how the police actually cracked the first accused, or the main accused, because we really don't know whether there are other accused or not.
It's extremely shocking, Kamalika, that there is no CCTV camera inside the seminar hall. This is a very reputed medical college, and there was a CCTV camera in the hallway through which police finally nabbed that particular accused in this case. But apart from that, what negligences have happened on principal's part should be talked about, and why he did not file an FIR.
Yes, definitely. This is a very big question, because this is, I'm telling you again, this is not a hospital which is located in some remote place or in some district. This is Calcutta, and in Calcutta, in such a place which is a prominent location, you have a seminar hall of a department like chess department, and you don't have a CCTV out there. That is a very big question, and there where the role of principal is raised by all people. And second is that when this body was recovered in the court, this question has been asked that why an unnatural rape case was registered. Then it was stated from the state side that because there were no complainant. Why did they do that? That is also a very big question. As principal himself was there, it is his administrative compound where this body has been recovered. So what was stopping the police of taking a complaint from him? And also the parents also came. What was stopping the police to taking complaint from them? When the body clearly showed that, the body which is shown, that is clearly it is a semi-nude body. So definitely all these questions should have come. That points have been raised in the court by the judge.
Definitely. Kamalika, please stay on with us. Let's listen into a couple of voices also coming in over this story, and then we'll come back to you.
CBI एक बहुत विश्वसनीय संस्था है और हमें उम्मीद है कि उससे सब सच सामने आ जाएगा। तो हम यही अपील करेंगे सरकार से कि जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं बिना किसी छेड़छाड़ के वो सीबीआई को सौंप दिए जाएं, जिससे कल्प्रिट पकड़ा जा सके और उसके खिलाफ कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई हो सके। जी, मैं उनके इस निर्णय का स्वागत करती हूं और हमें अब हमारी नगर पालिका पे पूरा भरोसा है कि जो भी हमारी न्यायपालिका है उसमें हमें पूरा भरोसा है कि वो जो भी करेंगी वो हम लोगों के हित में ही करेंगी। बस मैं ये कहना चाहती हूं कि एक डॉक्टर 24 घंटे 36 घंटे की इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी करता है और इसीलिए करता है कि भाई उस वक्त तो उस मरीज को उसकी जरूरत है, और ऐसे समय पे भी यदि उसके साथ ही इतना बुरा व्यवहार होगा तो हम महिला चिकित्सक क्या कोई भी चिकित्सक कैसे ये कर पाएगा। जी, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि वो जो है इसकी अच्छे से जांच हो और जो भी कल्प्रिट है, जो भी गुनहगार है, उनको दंड दिया जाए।
We as a Indian Medical Association, Goa State and my Bicholim branch also, we are extremely pained to see the brutal murder of a young budding doctor who was she was studying in that library or so, and she was raped and brutally murdered. This is absolutely not done, because we feel that the safety of the doctors is very important because they work for the society in the end. In the end, who suffers is the society because these are the people on which all the hospitals are based actually on the resident doctors because resident doctors needs the maximum because the consultants, they come and go, but the resident doctor is 24/7 there. So I think their safety is of paramount importance.